This is a fresh 100% dry wash and go. As you can see, my hair is really flat and short. My hair doesn't even touch my shoulders because I have so much shrinkage, but I'm about to change that. So I'm just splitting my hair in half and getting one half out of the way. And I'm starting off on the back section. I just take the section that I'm going to stretch and I just keep grabbing my hair and slightly tugging on it as I grab more hair. You can kind of see in the clip. And I'm doing this because if I just grab the entire section at one time, it's going to be a bunch of pieces in there that don't get stretched. So taking the section and then pulling little pieces of that section like you see me doing is the best way to make sure that you get every curl in that section. Then after I grab all the pieces of that section, I just twist it up and then pin it somewhere to my head. And then I do the same thing to the middle and front section, except the front section I do a little bit differently and I'm going to show you in a minute, but I make sure that I don't stretch my hair all the way down to my ends, as you can see, because I want my ends to be really curly, since that's really the part that sticks out the most and shows. And also, if you want to determine how long your hair will be after it's stretched, just look at how far down you're twisting and pulling your hair. Like, as you can see, I'm just twisting it a little bit past my shoulder. So when I take my hair down, it's going to be a little bit past my shoulder. When I get to the front, I leave the face framing pieces out because I don't want to overstretch those. So instead, I just lightly tug on them and then use a bobby pin to super lightly pin it to my head because I want that area to still be really curly. So 30 minutes later, I just take them down and I fluff my hair out. And as you can see, my hair is really defined still, and it didn't lose much definition. And it really gave me the desired length that I was aiming for, and the shape too, because my hair is definitely fuller and not as flat as it was. So usually I would just leave my hair like that, and it usually gets bigger and fuller day by day as my hair gets older. But I actually have somewhere to go, so I'm just going to pick it out a little bit and then make it a little fuller, and then that's it. So thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out some other videos on my channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave.